Every day, goods travel across borders, connecting producers and consumers worldwide. This intricate dance of global trade relies heavily on efficient transportation. Among the many options, road freight stands out as a critical player, ensuring that goods reach their destinations seamlessly. Choosing the right transport mode is crucial for businesses to thrive in our interconnected world. Road freight involves transporting goods using trucks. Its strength lies in its adaptability to diverse cargo needs and routes. Unlike trains or ships, trucks can navigate various terrains and reach remote areas. This flexibility makes road freight indispensable for last-mile delivery, connecting production hubs to distribution centers and finally, to consumers' doorsteps. Road freight doesn't operate in isolation. It acts as a vital link in the global supply chain, seamlessly integrating with other transport modes like sea, air, and rail. Goods arriving at ports or airports are often loaded onto trucks for onward transportation. This intermodal connectivity ensures a smooth and uninterrupted flow of goods across continents. Road freight offers several advantages. It provides door-to-door service, eliminating the need for additional handling and reducing transit times. The extensive road networks allow for flexible route planning and faster delivery, especially for time-sensitive goods. This efficiency and reach have made road freight a preferred choice for businesses of all sizes. Despite its strengths, road freight faces challenges. Traffic congestion in urban areas can lead to delays and increased transportation costs. A shortage of skilled truck drivers is another growing concern, impacting delivery schedules and industry growth. Additionally, environmental concerns regarding emissions and fuel consumption necessitate a shift towards sustainable practices. The future of road freight is driven by innovation and sustainability. Electric trucks are emerging as a cleaner alternative, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing carbon emissions. Autonomous driving technology promises to revolutionize the industry, enhancing safety and efficiency. Furthermore, smart logistics platforms are optimizing route planning, reducing empty miles, and improving overall efficiency. As the backbone of global trade, road freight will continue to adapt and evolve. Embracing new technologies and addressing sustainability concerns will be paramount to its continued success. With its inherent flexibility, extensive reach, and capacity for innovation, road freight is well positioned to remain an indispensable part of the global economy for decades to come. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to Logistics ABC. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on future videos. Check out the recommended videos here for more great content. Thanks for being part of the Logistics ABC community, and see you in the next video.